Hello guys, welcome back to Stylosense. This is Shruti and today we are going to make Pahadi Kebab, chicken Pahadi Kebab, and for that I have taken half bunch of mint leaves, half bunch of coriander leaves and about 25 to 30 green chilies, and all this I have taken for about 980 grams of chicken, and all the chicken I have ordered it from Licious only. It's boneless chicken breast, and what we have to do is add all these leaves in a mixer grinder and grind it well for the first time. The second time you open it, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd, and the curd we are adding should be very thick, otherwise your paste which you are going to form will not get thick. Okay, so the consistency should be okay, and it should not be very thin. Okay, so this is our paste. Now what I am doing is to marinate the chicken. I have taken about 1 bowl of thick curd. You can see this is almost 1 bowl of thick curd, and into that we are going to add half tablespoon of turmeric powder and salt as per your taste, because everyone has their own taste. Now 1 spoon of coriander powder and 1 spoon of cumin powder, and the secret tip or the special tip you can say in this recipe is crushing the kasuri methi leaves. I have the Everest kasuri methi over here and I am using that for the marination process. It adds a very beautiful aroma to your dish. Okay, and now I will add all the paste in this. Now mix this well. Also guys, I just forgot to tell you that I forgot one step. You have to add about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Over here I am using mother's recipe ginger garlic paste. You can create it at home and you can use that also. Now mix this well, and we will add all the 980 grams of chicken in our bowl. Okay, it's almost 1 kg, so let's say that it is 1 kg only. A 50 gram doesn't really matter, a small piece or so. Now once you have added all the chicken, mix it well and keep it aside for almost 4 hours. We are not going to refrigerate it directly after marinating it, so you have to keep it aside for almost 4 hours. Now we will see, we have kept it for 4 hours, and now what we are going to do is heat a pan. In that about 4 tablespoons of oil and 1 big tablespoon of butter, and I have added all the pieces to my skewer, and yes, that's it. You have to roast it until it becomes the same as mine. Bye bye guys, we'll meet in the next video.